Hi and welcome back to my channel. Do you like the flavor of dill pickles? If so, you're going to love my copycat version of the President's Choice Coleslaw dressing. It can be made well ahead of when you actually need it. The dressing itself will stay fresh in your fridge for at least 3 days. So without further ado, let me show you the ingredients. So here are all the ingredients on my table, and let's take a look at them individually. So starting with the salad that I made hours and hours ago and put it into a plastic container in my fridge, and I have finely shredded purple cabbage, really finely shredded carrot, finely shredded cabbage, fresh spinach, and you could either use it whole like this or chop it up, and finely shredded romaine lettuce. So looking at the dry ingredients, I'm using, this is the star of the show right here, is dill pickle flavor seasoning that I bought at BulkBarn. So you can, if you live in Canada and you have a BulkBarn by you, or if not, any kind of bulk store, they should have this. It's a dill pickle flavor seasoning. The other ingredient, and all the ingredients will be listed below this video, is mustard seeds. So I use a teaspoon of mustard seed that's crushed up. I use one teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper, a third of a cup mayonnaise, a third of a cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon of buttermilk, which is optional, and 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. This too is optional. If you don't have pickle juice or pickles in your house, you can skip this. And there's about half a cup of feta cheese. And the feta cheese I dried out on some paper towels and then crumbled it up. There's going to be the juice of 1 lemon. So that's about it. The only other thing is the almond slices. If you're not going to use this salad on top of, say, a slider or a hamburger or a fish taco or any other thing, then I like to top it off with sliced almonds. So let's put everything together and we'll do a taste test. Okay, to start with, we're going to add in all the dry ingredients first. This is 1 tablespoon of the dill pickle seasoning, and then we're going to add in the 1 tablespoon of crushed mustard seed. If you don't have mustard seed like this, then a prepared store-bought one will do. And then we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then we're going to mix all that together like so. And then we're going to put in our third of a cup of mayonnaise, and a third of a cup of sour cream. And if you don't like to use sour cream, you could always substitute this with Greek yogurt, plain flavored Greek yogurt, of course. And then our tablespoon of buttermilk. I'm going to add about half of that for now. Let's just see how watery this is looking. I'm going to finish the rest. Put the rest of the buttermilk in. Add our tablespoon of pickle juice. And the pickle juice actually doesn't add a lot of flavor. It's the dill pickle seasoning that really packs a punch in there. And I've made this a number of times for myself, and it is fantastic. So let's add about a tablespoon or so of lemon juice. And if you don't have fresh lemon, the store-bought kind will do. So that's about a teaspoon. What I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. This is optional. I don't know, some people don't like dill, but it really enhances the flavor of this salad dressing. So you can see it's nice and it's creamy, it's runny, and what I like to do, I'm going to add the crumbled up cheese later on. So let's put aside the salad dressing, and we're going to assemble a salad for me. So I'm going to assemble a small salad just for me today, and I don't have a hamburger to put this dressing onto, but I'm okay with just a simple salad, standalone, all by itself. And I'm going to add most of the feta cheese. Yeah, let's add it all. Personally, I love feta cheese, and then just toss it all together by hand. And if you're going to make this ahead, I don't recommend putting the dressing on at this point. Keep everything separate in your fridge, and when you're ready to use it, put it into the bowl and then add the dressing. So I'm just going to liberally pour this onto the salad. And at this point, I can really smell the dill pickle flavor, and the dill and the sour cream, and absolutely yummy. So since I'm just making a salad, I'm going to use some slivers of almonds, put them on top. Very healthy. You got the spinach, super healthy. This is a really healthy dinner. So now that I'm going to be eating this momentarily, I'm going to mix everything up and start enjoying my beautiful salad. What do you think? So let's get into it. And there you have it. It took no time to prepare this salad. So here's my copycat version of the President's Choice slaw dressing. And really easy to, have on hand. And if, like I said, if you do like me and have your salad in a plastic container, a Tupperware, whatever, then you have salad for at least a couple of days. So very handy. So let's get into this and have a little taste test. Fantastic. You really gotta try this. The dill pickle flavor and the sour cream and all the ingredients coming together, it is just, it's mind-blowing. So give it a try soon. I guarantee you're going to love it. So thanks for dropping by my channel again. Please do give me a thumbs up on this. Until the next one, have a great day and see you later.